Have you ever heard of this affordable market, Day Tomatoes and Onion Market in Abuja? So me and my church members, we needed to get something for a church program, and we got ourselves together. We met at church, then we left together. This is us leaving the church and setting out on a trip to Day, as somebody suggested. First, before we got to Day, we needed to pick somebody up at the Duse Market because somebody was there waiting for us at Duse Market. So this is Duse Market. If you've never seen Duse Market, it's one affordable market in Abuja as well. This is our church bus, and this is me and the ladies who were going together. The sisters were going together. Say hi.
I go very early. I go my home. Take shot. The cow you like, they'll give it your present.
We stopped to get fuel because why not? And we proceeded on our journey to Dede because it's not so close. But guys, see Abuja road now. See our city. It's a very large road. Lagos we cannot relate. Anyway, we got to Dede Market, and the first place we had to go is to withdraw cash. After that, we took a bike that is taking us to Livestock Market because we wanted to buy like livestock. We got to this bacha here where they sell like goods, like full goods. And I mean, we got closer to check this full goods. It ranges from like 40,000 naira to like 60,000 naira, depending on the size of the goat. After the goat side, we went to the cow side. I saw a little calf, and this is like the cow bacha, the cattle bacha, where they like kill cow to sell in parts, and all was all noisy. We are not buying full cow, so we decided to like price the tail, the head, and the just these parts that you are seeing of it. And see mango, we bought mango as well. See this cow head. All these things are expensive, oh, I'm not gonna lie. We had to like buy in portions, and we just not in kg really, just in portions. Anyway, see my mango, because we bought mango the other time. And we are back to our goat meat. We had to buy like half, and this is the other half because we bought the head part. So they decided to slice it for us. From there, we left the livestock market, then on our way to get the tomatoes at the tomatoes and onion market. Like the perishable market is just like opposite. We just need to cross this pedestrian and see plenty bikes in Abuja. Oh my god. We just need to cross this pedestrian and voila, on our way to this tomatoes and onions market. This is like the mile 12, or is it mile 2? Mile 2 or mile 12, I don't know. Perishable market in Lagos of Abuja. So here is the perishable market of Abuja. Very affordable stuff, and I'll just leave you guys to enjoy the video. Oh, I didn't mention it's a morning market, so by the time we got there like around 10, it's already like almost empty. All this place used to be normally filled with tomatoes and pepper, so we just have to buy from the second hand at this point because normally we are supposed to go very early to get these things. Yes, I've carried it. Sister Rashida, say hi.
We are tired.
Like exhausted.
Away from Duse to Day.
Well, you saw the youth.
No go buy for now.
You saw jokes.
No go buy.
You saw that youth won long come and repair o tire sọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀.
I am so.
Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀.
We are tired.
Madam. Go madam.
Now, street hour. This one is very hour.
After getting all the things we need to buy, this is us leaving Dede. Dede is like very different from the main Abuja because see the roads are so tiny and they have like one way. This is our tired face.
Tired face.
We go back to church and we needed to offload everything we went to the market to go and buy. By this time I was already like tired. See my tired face. Then we remember that, oh, there's something else we need to buy. Then we headed back to Duse market. Second market. This side is going.
Oh, it's so easy. I'm not tired. Second market rocks. Okay.
Here in Duse market, we came to get drinks. We get to get like drinks in parks and all for Chapman, and we got Smooth and all this stuff. Very soon rain started falling. Even before rain started falling, breeze started blowing, and like that everybody was looking so rough and dirty. The rain already started falling here, so everybody's just looking like a lot of people just came to this store, and it was just like all jam-packed because everybody was running from the rain. Based on the rain has already started, and you see people's stores and outside like that. Now after the rain was still drizzling here, but I mean it was manageable, so we still came.
Last. How we came back from the market after a very long market. This is how we came back from the market.
My feet hurts like crazy. Like, hey. Well done, oh sister.
A loading job.
A reloading job. A reloading your car. Anyway, when we got back to church, my phone was already low, but then I just needed to get like the clips of when we were washing the meat and things we bought in the market, so we can prepare it to use for the next day, because the program is for the next day. So yeah, basically these are the things: more goat meat, beef. These are some of the things we got at the market. The next day here, and sisters went on full preparation mode. We were making asun and pepper chicken or something like that. It was a nice gathering for the sisters because we ate and had a lot of gisting and fun moments with the sisters of the church before see our asuna getting ready. Basically, yeah, see you guys in my next video. This video is just like here and there all over the place, but anyway, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be bringing you guys more lifestyle content, and I hope to be consistent moving forward. Bye.